Hello, Chronicle readers. Today we are demoing LivePress, a fast way to turn your ideas into polished slides. I strongly believe artifacts like PowerPoint and Word will take a different shape as coding agents like Claude Code and Codex become relatively easy to use. It'll be more like we'll speak a prompt and the visuals get generated instantly, and we watch the deck update in real time and we export it and we use it. I think that's going to be the future of any proof of work document that we are creating, something like a presentation, a memo, or any other artifact, be it. So let's see that in live action. So this is a very simple basic app I have created called LivePress. Without the hassle of typing out, you can just start speaking and it automatically detects the intent and converts it into a slide and structures it. So let's see it in action. So I'll first click on start speaking and then I will go ahead and talk through what I want to present in the slide and see how it generates the visuals. Starting now. Uh, AI agents transform ideas into working code instantly. No more static documents as proof of work. Functional outcomes replace presentation artifacts. Title: The Paradigm Shift. Next slide. Step 1. Describe your idea in natural language. Step 2. AI agent generates initial prototype. Step 3. Iterate through conversation, not code. Step 4. Deploy production ready interface. Step 1 is describe your idea in natural language. Traditional PowerPoints require hours of manual formatting. AI generates polished slides from rough ideas in seconds. Document workflows need multiple revision cycles. AI instantly rephrases and enhances text professionally. Manual UI mockups require specialized design skills. Generative UI creates interfaces from simple descriptions. Now we'll stop this recording and go back to each of those slides and see how it has formatted. So we spoke a bunch of text, right? Like it didn't have much context, but it came up with its own way of formatting, adding more icons, making it more readable. And the second slide, it puts the bullet points here. And then the final slides, it detects that we are doing a comparison and kind of compares the AI powered efficiency versus traditional time drains. So these are some examples of how you just speak and the presentation gets created instantly live, and that's going to be the future of presentation. We saw one way of uh, creating speech into text. That's one way in which the future presentations could evolve. The other one is if you have coding agents like a Codex or GitHub Spark or a Plot Code, you could even use natural language here, and on the side you could see the changes being made. So this created a slide. Maybe I'll show it in full screen. Whatever we saw in the earlier example, this is another version of it, and this looks also better. It says key takeaways and it gives a bottom line for each slide. Now I'll show you how this works. Let's say I want to enhance this by adding animation and maybe add icons to the text to make it more readable, and center. Add a executive summary slide as first slide. Now the thing is, the good part is, as it is working on it, we can actually see the changes over here. So you keep refreshing and you could see the changes. So let's wait for it to complete. Now imagine if we had to create a PowerPoint from scratch. It would take a lot of time for us to do two things. One is to ideate on the content, on what content we need to put in the presentation. And number two is to make it more readable and presentable so that it's easy on the audience to read it. Now, what these coding agents do, I feel coding agents is a misnomer because yes, the basic thing is they do coding, but then they can provide artifacts like this, which can be used in multiple different variations. So these are called proof of works, either a memo or a leadership document that you prepare. Okay, it said it has finished. Now let's see. So it's much better now. So it started with the executive summary, key takeaways. M shift, new workflow, and again comparison. Now I could go and keep making more changes like this. I can say make the comparison slide into table. And based on all this, we can see live. The best part about it is live feedback that you can get, and we can pass it back to the agent, and the agent works on it and gives you a polished slide. Okay, refresh this. Yeah, we see it formatted it into a table. So I think this is going to be the future of presentations. Uh, Let me know your thoughts. Thank you.